how to redeem points on Survey Junkie. So here I'm on the official website, and on the right hand side you can see how many points you have, and also if you click on USD you will be able to see your balance in dollars. Now if you want to redeem these points here, we will click on rewards on the left, and you can see all of these different methods of withdrawal. So for PayPal, you will need to have 500 points. And once you have 500 points, you can click on PayPal and link your PayPal account and cash out to PayPal. For your bank transfers here, if we click on the bank transfer option, it's going to show us this. So we will need 500 again, and you can cash out directly to your bank. Now I'm just going to go back here, and the other options of withdrawing or of cashing out using your rewards is gift cards. So here you can select the type of gift card you want. For everything it is going to require 500 points, and you can get an Amazon gift card, Walmart gift card, or Apple gift card. And that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.